ki Muktiar hapo jong ka West Gentil District menta ka sitho ding ki leyo jinghikai halo ki rukom trekam ki bolong katkum ka juk start ba menta da ka bapanun kam bi ki tier technology pan kampan suk shushu ya ka jing trekam ha ka baide bat ki case ba pher या का नेका प्रोग्राम आज हिकाय हलो का रुकम ट्रेकम जोंग का केस इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम CIS लापनलोंग द कंप्यूटर कमिटी हाई कोर्ट ऑफ मेघालय हरंगकट के जिंगे ट्रेलंग बट का मेघालय स्टेट लीगल सर्विस अथॉरिटी बलपन या द का जेंटाइल्स ऑटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल हटपेपली हॉल जोवाई हा का नेका स्किल वन बन सकी लंग द उजज बदन बुरम का मेघालय हाई कोर्ट उ बा हमर सन सिंह थैंक यू उबलोंग कुम उकोंग सन ubalapan pawi jing sokmen banyadon mentalang hakane gesngi u judge thank you ulapan sngau ba ka jingdon jong ka district council court a joai kadalong kum ka jingarap ka bakrau ya kinong shong shnong ki bari ki trajla banya khuni ki case jong ki da ka ba omdon kam shu bande shadu high court ulapan pawru baha ki niki snem jong ka klam covid khat kendai ki don shibun ki jing henry karukom trekam lengba ka jing panon kam ya ki board jong ka juk start kalala ban penya renti ya ki kam ki jam baro jing panon kam ya ki mobile smartphone menta kala nang yarap shu ha karukom trekam manwat ya ki record jong ki case ba pher ha ka juk ka por ukremen balang ba ka jing panlong ya ka ne ka CIS karkum ka juk internet kan yarap ban pen baha ya karukom trekam hapo ka jelahi baro ka we ya ka jing lang la penya da ka kong week India additional judge additional district council court joai la yo ru ye jing batai binya ya ki Muktiar da ki riu shampang halo ka phang ba pher jong ka rukom trekam ka case information system ka bala ru ban a jingera ha ki babon kilyang
personal invitation to me. Actually, we're thinking that CIS is already here and it's only a sensitization or awareness to show how the system should really function, and you all should know as to how to access and how to use the system efficiently. Now you know the CIS system was available to the normal courts, I can see, which in different districts all over India. District council courts are functioning under a different regime, in the sense that they created under 6th schedule. It's only for drivers, and under paragraphs 4 and 5, the courts constituted. And these courts, they don't come under supervision of the High Court, except when appeals go there or under Article 235, if such situation warrants. And so they're functioning, you can say, on its own, very autonomous. And so, in this way, they were outside the ambit of the whatever developments were there. Now you see, in the last 2 years after this pandemic happened, digitization, computerization, using virtual court, everything's advanced at a rapid pace. And even the normal courts or other courts, they also have to adapt. Now, we were thinking that why should the fruits of this digitization, computerization be kept away from the litigants and from the lawyers and from the district council courts? Because this helps to increase efficiency, it helps us to give us information, it helps that a lawyer knows. You see, when the resource person, this Tapira shows you, that if you have this thing, you don't even need to have a diary anymore. Because there are provisions there, in the program, in the itself, the CIS, where you can have your digital diary. And now we all have these phones. Everybody uses a smartphone. So smartphone goes well in step with this kind of advancement we have in the judicial administration. So CIS, virtual courts, then even should talk about e-courts. And my main the wish is that once we have this platform, that we should use it to the fullest, and the lawyers will know which orders are uploaded, when's the case coming up next, and the judges will help them also, that the staff's work will decrease. Now when you go to a court, you don't need to go to the Bishkar to find out when's the next case, or take out the records. Now with CIS,